Alright, so installing Windows 10 on my Dell Vostro 3550 has no video. I do know it booted up into Windows though because it did have audio, and I heard the, sign-in music and everything, and it's made a few dings here and there while it... Alright, even though I have a black screen on the laptop, the external monitor actually works, but never this one. With a generic driver, I was able to get this one, but then that one wouldn't work, so they wouldn't work at the same time. Alright, so if you're thinking of updating your Dell Vostro 3550 to Windows 10, it tells you right here, Dell is not testing or developing Windows 10 drivers for this product, and they're not kidding. Alright, so there's a couple ways to go backwards from Windows 10 if you're having a Windows 10 issue. Let's go here, settings, and then update and security, recovery, and here it says go back to Windows 7. You can click on get started and follow that process. Alright, so another way that you can go back to your previous version of Windows is to go to update and security, go to backup, and right down here it says go to backup and restore. This one's Windows 7, was the previous version. I assume if you had another one that was a different Windows, then it would say that. So you can click on that. And if you had actually ran a backup with your previous version of Windows, it would have showed up here. But I did not, so I don't have anything to restore. Another way you can do it is to go to update and security, recovery, and there's this restart now under the advanced startup. It says you can set up from a device or disk such as USB or DVD, change Windows startup settings, and restore Windows from system image. This will restart your PC. So you hit restart now, restart your PC. Yeah. Alright, so from this menu, go to troubleshoot, then go to advanced options and system image recovery. So if I did have an image to recover from, that I could, it could have auto-populated it, or if you had it on a DVD. Previously it also mentioned a USB, but I don't have one, so there's nothing for it to find. If it did find one, it would have been right here in this grayed out location, and then you could have selected it, or if you hit next, it says that you can insert a DVD, the image backup on it. You can also select from network location using the advanced. So go to advanced, search for system image on network. But I don't have anything set up, so I'm not going to pursue that one. Alright, so let's say Windows 10 installed something that like a latest update or a driver or software that just locked your computer up and screwed it up. You could go to troubleshoot here, advanced options, and system restore, and Windows automatically makes restore points that you can restore your operating system from. It'll stay the same operating system, just any latest installs or any installs up to that point. So you can select one and then recover to that day and time. So any software you had installed after that point, or drivers, it would be gone and restore back to that day. So I would like to go back to Windows 7. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to settings. Going to go to update and security. and then I'm going to go to recovery. Go back to Windows 7. Get started. Oh, let's tell them what's wrong. Yeah, thanks, done that many times. Okay, whatever. Alright, I have no clue how long this is going to take, but hope for the best. Yay, it's restoring the previous version of Windows. Alright, I'll get back with you after that. Alright, so that worked. I am now back to Windows 7, yay! And my computer is working as it should.